akomawo just gundi akomawo awalaze is coming back aziveewo kino kyo tukiveeko kubaba n'abaana banazirondera obudde oba bukoze eki buba bugenze aziveeko nzebawe oba nzisibaze wangi nzebawe nawe yakkawo bakuliko gwenzaala yakkawa wabuliramu weganda ate abatalese balyoka bannange kyokka abaganda abazirese tebeefiirayo ekyokamba benzimaba tebalyasobola kumpa sente zisingana zino baana okusinga bwenyala wamma ati tugenda mu pato njagala omuzeeyi asinga sente hawayo era nnyo lero kubanga awedde mu Rwanda hawayo sembere eno tebakuba nansonyi hawayo what's your name? Which class are you? Okay, at which school? Okay, I'm not asking a question. If you say it correctly, you are taking your money. This is the first question. You are in P6. Is it okay? What is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? You are in P6. You file up on this money. Chenso yuko nakuye kumwala anasoole chika osenza mwe sendera bakajuma mutasitika n'obwongo bana bawulire bakungumuka ekikyo muliko abayiwana kumupasa kuzitoa mtiwa kusiklasi awayo what is your name? Okay, which class are you? Okay, primary 5. I'm going to ask you this question. If you pass it, you get your money. Who is the vice president of Uganda? Owezesigala omubabiri bananga abaana mubazindise bakasoma omubabiri omulala anagaba kupanguya mubakungu museka bazina basiya bulala bamwe basoma wama hawayo. Speak louder, feel free, you will start, don't be shy. Stars don't break you, just be you're okay, yeah. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Jovia.
Jovia, okay. Which school are you? What is your name?
My name is Jovia.
I'm asking this question, if you pass it, you take your money. Is it okay?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
Okay, oh my God, come on. Oh yeah, we are going in any subject now. Is it okay? Mariachi is around to complete the question town. Mutufu! Aisha! Mariachi is allowed to complete the question town. Manada abasiza abazungu bamwita wa English kitufu. Sure. Okay, at least, okay, but now we can alombuze. What is the best subject?
Any you want.
You ask me now. Ask me a question. I want primary 4. You told me you are different. Ask me the question primary 4. If you go beyond, you don't answer. Ask me. Kanasoko kakano muze jibuzo. Wechitira kasende mie. Zasicha ina kisambonye mwenye chimala wali mapengo. Izitwara ne bange yoro ne rungwa. Atete oza chimala kwanga chuiche. Utosho mbendi ya ngete chigenzi. Manze mfuna onsogola ati. Muza,
What is immunization?
Immunization is the controlling of 6 killer diseases. Malaria, polio, diphtheria, tetanus, measles, and another dangerous disease, AIDS. Because even for us who fear AIDS, you go for immunization. Is it okay? Am I correct?
You are 100% wrong.
Immunization What is immunization?
Immunization is the introduction of vaccines into the body to fight against.
The last question is, I might first give you a chance. I might ask you, I will ask you first. Who, you or me? You told me what to say name first. Okay, that's Jovia. This is the question is in English. Jovia is short. Jovia is slender. Jovia is beautiful. Start the sentence with all. Jovia is slim. Jovia is beautiful. Start the sentence with all.
Jovia is short, beautiful, and slender.
Kakolere ki kaka tweyanzizaawo. Jovia. Jovia, umwebogalo bw'amaanyi gannange kanfooma. Lwekyo bwembolerera nabadde nasomeka embeera eri wano nendiraba omuyati nabyo testinga naye laba Katonda bwansuka ate kategeera katuuse kaki omeka abakubasemba alimama akulembera bali wakumeka bakyolinga Jovia otandise okufera twala eri Jovia kati wataseereza nomunaabanolanjogerera amafumbule asitateredde siibuli njagala obabuulire nga lyakyasimazeeko ebiri yodde bagazima zinazeeko bazonna nzibawo mupangidde olabye ekibadde awo mupangidde tokirabe Jovia ndowooza olaba olaba namuti atenda kukuba lweyimanira yevi yakwata sente zamuana twali tugenda kati mazina ekyo kyekaba kyomugidde kati tugenda mu mazina kakikeeki sakulinga oluyimba nsogenda kwate mundi bibi kale kantwaleko ettaano bannaye kaleera kwata sente zaamu akaleera simuyalira zibasibira simubeera nasebeera nazikaleera basi tuddembaleka kati njagala kafulu wange mazina mwepanga naliyati buli wamungu olaba wanatutereke mutasuulira bwetyo bwebeera bandika kalati nibamu baba agende ero nagende tekayo akayimba njagala kafulu wange yaliwa yono basi omweyogedekimabina njagala kulaga nti nzina bafaani bange bwekwani nawulira Shadia basi zabike emipiira Success motors in Bagigi, Obana na Munda Yama Mutudomo, that's in Milwama Mukamakuomus. Obana na Munda Yama, Musilise Mikome Yange, Muro Munanga Musia, Musilise, no Comedy, Obakula, the Magazine. Musa, how can I be defeated when you are sitting? Come on. Musungu.
That's good.
Musungu, I'm not jumping.
A good analyst.
Musungu, I'm not jumping with you. Musa, is it good? Musa is inside you,
yeah.
Musa is inside you. I'm going to be defeated with the younger girl, Dusty, 11 years. I'm approaching the 50. Kuba kula kule zesige chikachanga amatata tuyanziza biye bamanga nyabu yakachiri wano akatobero mwana simanya fana sita noko muliro nze kola mungu basiya ulalo bosi wangu kama kujja anta obeka bana batinde kamera mukama bawo okisa katonda kole bitumira kola maliya chi ye wanja ugo nachi wanji those who have my funds. I'm not going to come about one mixer. Look, come and let me go away to get to Yanzisa. Come about one mixer. God bless you. More. Never to it. I'm very proud. Go and send it to her. And I'm going to but I don't know if I'm state. And so many of us have Jasmine in the Chikatana. Jasmine, thank you for being here. I told you I'm going to see you. I know you're trying to find the plan and you feel a couple of things. That's it. Thank you very much. You come up with us. So that the sounds, you know, I'm going to say that I'll choose you for any of the cards. I'm going to say, Bananga mwe baleme kwagala ebisimala kyabaka wokasa mapato boka ibeba entertaining we mulemu gwange so ke bali kujja tuma kwagala kwa ni store always knowledge kange amalikira abantu zawe ende nenda te kufunya kasente we mulamwa tubakira
wera la kade bade mira kwa sasa
oh my god Ladies and gentlemen, the last award we have tonight. Hey, Muzungu! How are you, sir? Are you okay? You are from where? Our second last award is Best Comedian of the Year 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, that is none other than MC Mariachi! Congratulations and celebrations.
akafana kamera waliyo awo omusora anti bwana abaana bagikwasa atutule mu kamera
wange taata kwetogwe mulimu gwange nasala okufuuka kitasaana abantu baddeko stress bobasiima ne bambulamu kubanga munange gakagire kufuna atategera sikyange kumberyamazima ndi muzadde nina abaana bankula mu masomero ng'omuzadde ninjingirwako basoma busesi olina olwekyo mumbaddawadiro ogerezaako ebigenderako okuba sente ogikuletera sigenda gyesikanga nnyama naye amuddawo gabalikanaamanya kyabakabokwasaba kutukugaalisagalina ku buko naki oweekyo kanyogere kwasakanyisa ala kwewanebebagedala mukama wange ate malya kira lyambasagala successfutos tukolabulabadde mu vidiyo ate nabasama bade newunyiriza ti omuntu ali simaati kyekikutabudde okoleetasaana wabaki nemakimanyi otegeerakaawo akimanyi otegeerera ddala amabuusa aleera gedembakudawadi baligagala mutwalire kukibenabega omulamuzi bwaba awansi azerina ansisekulate waliwo kibaite ebyaddala naye bagiraki waddala sokamuku wansi otezeere tetulina budde kaleera jangu sipidi endanga kubwongo abadde teriika moze weefunalegemberiza abasudde banage mukobugalo maninya azezita moze tokwatikebano bafitina yange esuula nenenanfiibwa akoledi yange nebiranaabasiboti nalinjasama tereya bananga obulamu bawina mukamuko onyeganda bagafunza ku mutuukaana kakanalo gasagayo bibiri gekka abakyala basajja babafulesi omulogoko ndi omukyala gwamama musajja kyala byetuka bbiri nasigala nalinomo nayegadebanga ekitasaana otuuse ebibakakalimala ebyoko otuuse ebibakowakeikyokubanga ekyokalinomereka gomanzi akanawa kyuka tugende kyukitifu Puro,